Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to learn how to prepare mixed veg coriander, a perfect side dish for chapati, roti or something like a napa. Anyways, without wasting much time, let's get right into the ingredients that make up this mouth-watering dish. So as the name suggests, it has a lot of ingredients, and while the list of ingredients might sound overwhelming, the efforts that you will be putting in making this luscious dish will be bare minimum. Anyways, the standalone ingredients include about 10 mushrooms washed and cut into small pieces, 1 carrot again washed and cut into small pieces, half cup of green peas, a cup of paneer, 3/4 cup of corn. And the ingredients required for grinding include a bunch of palak or spinach, 50 gram of cashew nuts, some pudina leaves, 2 green tomatoes, about 4 green chillies, some coriander leaves, some spices like cinnamon, star anise, 1 onion and about an inch of ginger. And that's pretty much it for the ingredients. And like I said, the list might sound overwhelming, but the preparation is on the easier side. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. The first step of the recipe is to grind all the ingredients to a fine paste mentioned on the screen in a mixer grinder by adding a decent amount of water as shown in the video. And while the grinding process progresses, let's boil the corn, green peas and carrot along with some salt in a pressure cooker for about a whistle or two. The next step is to take a pan on a stove and add 3 tablespoons of ghee and some butter. And as soon as the ghee starts melting, add the fine paste of grinded masala along with some salt and sugar and stir it. Add 3 teaspoons of garam masala powder and stir it well until the masala leaves out the ghee. After which we add 1 tablespoon of milk skin and stir it again. And while it's getting cooked, let's add the cut mushrooms and stir it well and close the lid for about 10 minutes. Post 10 minutes, add the paneer and finally add all the boiled vegetables along with some kasuri methi, and do not forget to stir during the process. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Mix it well and there you have it. Your mixed veg coriander is ready to be eaten alongside chapati, idli or appa. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the recipe, and like I said, the recipe is very easy to make. Let us know in the comment section below if there's any recipe that you want us to put forth on the channel, and also let us know if there's any way we can improve the quality of the videos that we are putting forth. Thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.